Hello everyone, so let's solve the given question here. What we need to find is the incorrect statement of the given following statements, right? So let's go through each one by one. Let's see the first statement. Given rolling friction is smaller than sliding friction. Well, it is true, right? Let's write true here. The second statement says limiting value of static friction is directly proportional to normal reaction. That is true. Uh, we uh, we study that the frictional force is equal to nu n. N is the normal force. Hence, this is also true. So we'll write here true. Now, the third statement: frictional force opposes the relative motion. That is always true. We always read that the frictional force appears in the opposite direction of applied force, right? Hence, this is also true. Let's write true here. Now, well, the answer should be now fourth part, as it is the only option left. But let's read it once again. Statement says coefficient of sliding friction has dimensions of length. Well, we read here F is equal to nu n. If we take n this side, the unit of F is Newton, the unit of normal is Newton. Hence, the nu becomes dimensionless. This statement is wrong. And the answer is option 4.